Hello everyone, welcome to the installation guide for the Milesight VS125 AI Stereo Vision People Counter. In this series video, we will demonstrate the entire process of the device deployment, from unboxing to configuration. The VS125 is recommended for installation in indoor scenarios, away from rainwater and humid environments. Below are the important installation guidelines. Please pause the video if you wish to review them. Before you begin, please ensure that your installation tools and accessories are fully prepared. Inside the box, you will find the VS125 device, ceiling mounting kits, multi-interface cable, power adapter, and a quick guide and warranty card. Cellular version includes a SIM eject tool. If it is a cellular version device, we need insert the SIM card into the device before the installation. Remove the cover, use the eject tool to pop open the tray, insert the SIM, and put the tray back. Measure your ceiling height and the width of the monitored area. Check the user guide to determine the required device quantity. Also make sure there are no obstacles in the device's field of view and detected area featured rich environmental textures for best depth detection. Avoid uniform surfaces, like solid colored walls, as they reduce accuracy. If the detection area is too large for one device, you can stitch multiple devices together. Make sure their coverage areas overlap. Ensure most of targets are fully detected near the border of both devices' detection zones. And make sure that the devices are aligned on the same line. For the best accuracy, ensure the device is parallel to the ground, keeping the tilt angle within 10 degrees. Remove the device cover plate. Mark the screw hole locations with a pencil. Drill 4 holes, insert the expansion bolts. Connect and pass wires through the wire holes. The VS125 supports 2 power supply methods, PoE and DC power. Securely fix the device to the ceiling using the mounting screws. Peel off the lens protective film and use a soft dry cloth to clean the lens to ensure a clear view. Fix the cover back onto the device. 4 varied deployment scenarios. Milesight provides optional accessories to suit your specific mounting needs. You can visit Milesight's official website product page for detailed information. To configure the VS125, access the configuration page through either a wireless or a wired connection. The wireless configuration uses a Wi-Fi connection. Power on the device, and get close to it to ensure you can search for its Wi-Fi signal. Enable the wireless network connection on your computer. Search for corresponding Wi-Fi SSID to connect it. SSID can be found on the device label. Enter the default IP address in your browser. Then the page will be redirected to the login interface. The wired connection uses an Ethernet cable. Connect your device to a switch or a router using an Ethernet cable. Then, connect to your computer using another Ethernet cable. Then, change the IP address of computer to the same segment with device's default IP address. For example, 192.168.5.61. Enter the default IP address in your browser, then the page will be redirected to the login interface. 1. Devices with firmware version 1.0.5 or above use DHCP mode by default. To find its IP address, simply connect the device and your PC to the same switch, and then use the Milesight IP search tool. 2. If your devices are delivered with a firmware version older than 1.0.5, please configure the IP address manually. After entering the login page via the 2 methods mentioned above, you will need to set a password and 3 security questions. After that, select the privacy settings for your device. Select video stream for a live preview of dynamic scenes, or choose static image if you only need a still image of the scene. You can also select no image if not needed. Select monochrome for a black, white, and gray image, or choose pseudo-color for a color-enhanced image. Select the resolution based on whether you require more image detail. After configuration, log in with username and custom password. Set the Wi-Fi password for your device. With those steps complete, we can now move on to configuring the device functions. The detailed function configuration process will be demonstrated in our next tutorial video.